In this video, we'll delve into 3 straightforward and effective methods that empower you to seamlessly transfer and enjoy your Google Drive videos on your iPhone, ensuring uninterrupted entertainment wherever you go. Part 1. Can I save videos from Google Drive to iPhone? Absolutely. Saving Google Drive photos and videos to your iPhone is possible. Google Drive provides a feature allowing you to download files, including videos, to your mobile device for offline access. Part 2. Download videos from Google Drive to iPhone within the app. Open Google Drive on iPhone. Locate the video. Tap more 3 dots, send a copy. Save video. Preparing to export dialog will show. And when it's gone, your video is saved to the camera roll. Part 3. Download Google Drive videos to iPhone from Google Drive Web. Step 1. Downloading videos from Google Drive to your computer. Open the Google Drive website. Navigate to Google Drive. Sign into your account. Choose the video you wish to save. Right-click on it and select the download option. Step 2. Transferring videos from the computer to iPhone using iTunes. Open Google Drive on iPhone. Locate the video. Tap more 3 dots, send a copy. Save video. A preparing to export dialog will show. And when it's gone, your video is saved to the camera roll. Part 4. Save videos from Google Drive to iPhone using File Manager app. If the above methods don't work for you, you have an alternative option to download Google Drive files to iPhone by utilizing a File Manager app. Part 5. A better way to transfer videos to iPhone with iOS Transfer. iOS Transfer stands out as a sophisticated and user-friendly utility for iOS device transfer and management. By simply connecting your computer and iPhone using a USB cable, this tool facilitates a reliable video transfer process.